Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog again. And this video I am going to share with you the good benefits of cloves on our body. I have it here. Where you can buy this? Just look in my description box. You can buy. But I like this whole. I just soak into olive oil. Or kung meron kayong castor oil, pwede naman po. Ayan. But I just soak it in olive oil. Then I have a spray bottle here where I just spray it on my scalp of my hair. Then on my eyebrows. And eyelashes. I like what I use organic. I don't like what I buy at the market, which is very expensive. I also use this tea to reduce cholesterol. Maybe it's the reason why I didn't gain too much weight. Kaya hindi ako tumataba ng husto. And it makes my skin smooth. Para laging bata. Para laging bata tingnan. Chore. And when I have a headache, I just make this candy. And my headache is gone. Like this. I hope you learned something from my video. Please share it to help others. Just click on my description box if you want to order. Thank you very much and see you on my next vlog. Bye!